Sensor problems? Lingering funky smell in the bathroom? It's probably time to deep clean the black tank. But don't worry, there's a product that does the hard work for you. Walex's PhD scientists, RVers themselves, were tired of dealing with clogs and malfunctioning sensors, so they developed a powerful treatment to fix those issues once and for all. According to them, it's the most underrated RV product on the market. Commando is a super concentrated enzyme formula that attacks and liquefies waste, toilet paper, and gunk built up on your black tank walls and sensors. It restores sensor accuracy, eliminates residual paper and waste buildup on tank walls, and reduces odors. To deep clean your tank, first empty it, then close the valve. Then drop in 1 packet of Commando and fill it with water above the sensors. Be sure to give the enzymes 12 to 24 hours to do their job. And don't worry, it's perfectly safe to leave it in your tank even longer for a deeper clean. Commando is now available in both a convenient pre-portioned packet and a versatile liquid. Both formulas are septic safe and compatible with all RV black tank systems. Commando is so effective that it's the go-to product for RV techs when they're troubleshooting sensor issues while your RV is in for service. No scrubbing, no guesswork. Just a science-backed formula that lets you clean the black tank while barely lifting a finger. It's a game changer. Walex is a family-owned business that makes products here in America using 100% solar-powered manufacturing. We're the trusted global leaders in waste treatment. Walex science is everywhere you go.